Most people will enter 2026 with the same money habits they had last year. And that one decision alone decide how their year ends. Every new year starts with hope, new goals, new plans, new motivation. But financially, most people repeat the same circle. They work hard, they earn, they spend, and at the end of the year, they wonder where the money went. The truth is, money doesn't change because the year changed. It changes when thinking changes. Let's talk about how to approach money in 2026. Simply, clearly, and realistically. First lesson, money responds to direction, not wishes. Many people say, I want to save more this year, but they never decide how. They wait to see what's left, and there's never anything left. Wealthy thinking flips this. You decide first, then you adjust your lifestyle around that decision. Not saving what's left, but spending what's left. That small shift alone changes everything. Second lesson, income is important, but behavior is more important. Two people can earn the same amount. One struggles forever, the other builds stability. The difference isn't intelligence, it's habits. Small habits repeated daily shape financial outcomes more than big wins. Consistent saving beats random luck. Consistent investing beats waiting for the perfect moment. Consistent discipline beats motivation. Money grows quietly, not dramatically. Third lesson, your lifestyle is either your greatest asset or your biggest liability. As income increases, spending often increases faster. New phones, new subscriptions, more convenience, more pressure. But wealth grows in the gap between what you earn and what you keep. In 2026, the goal isn't to look rich, it's to become stable. Because peace of mind is more valuable than appearance. Fourth lesson, money is emotional. Most financial mistakes are not math problems, they are emotional reactions. Fear makes people sell too early. Greed makes people wait too long. Comparison makes people overspend. Smart money decisions are calm decisions. If you can slow down emotionally, you already have an advantage. Fifth lesson, time is the most powerful financial tool. Not talent, not timing, time. The earlier money starts working, the harder it works. Small amounts invested consistently over time often beat large amounts invested late. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Waiting for the right year usually means never starting at all. Sixth lesson, debt should work for you, not against you. Some debt drains energy, some debt builds opportunity, but uncontrolled debt steals the future. In 2026, clarity matters. Know what you owe, know why you owe it, and know the cost of waiting. Freedom begins with awareness. Seventh lesson, your environment shapes your finances. Watch what you're listening to, what you watch, who you take advice from. If everyone around you normalizes struggle starts to feel normal. But when you expose yourself to a better thinking, your standards quietly rise. Protect your financial mindset. Final lesson, wealth is built in seasons, not months. There will be slow periods, there will be boring periods, there will be times nothing seems to be working. That's normal. Most people quit in the quiet phase, right before progress shows up. Consistency beats excitement. 2026 doesn't need perfect decisions, it needs better direction. If your thinking improves, your habit will follow, and your money will eventually catch up. Start small, stay consistent, and let this year work with you, not against you. If you enjoyed what you just listened to, kindly subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much.